Hi guys, welcome to Heart to Heart. My name is Shalini. If Shalini is too hard for you, you can call me either Shah or Lini. Just split the two. I'm 21 years old. I am from New Zealand and I just finished my third year of biochemical engineering. So thank you for watching this. Whoever is watching, thank you very much. So what's the purpose of my channel and why is it called Heart to Heart? Basically in this channel I literally pour my heart out. There are things in life that you probably have been through and I have been through, and I express those things through my poems. It's the way I got myself out of thinking bad of myself or thinking unworthy of myself through my poems. So that's the way I motivate myself. And by sharing these poems, I feel that I get to motivate you in some way or another and not feel bad about yourself, or just love yourself for who you are. So that's the main point of my channel. Also, this channel will not only just showcase the poems that I write. If you haven't already, I've posted 5 poems, and I didn't introduce myself, totally forgot. And I will be dividing this channel into various sections. There will be one section which will be called Heart to Heart Chat, where we just spin yarns. So if you have any worries, anything that you want to have get advice on, you can just comment and give me some ideas, and so we can spin some yarns. I can give you my suggestions and you can tell me I'm wrong or right, and you can give me yours. So that's one section. I'll have section 2, which is for my charity. So I'm at the moment at uni, so I decided to start up a student-based charity called Precious Smile, and this charity is basically like any other charity, is to help the community and give back to the community. And I feel nowadays people don't do that enough, and just to promote that, I started a student-based charity. It's still processing, so we're still in the process of doing something, but I want to record our journey, and I want to put it all together and show it to you, so maybe you guys can get inspired to give something, because if you give, you gain a lot from it. My third section would be basically on my life, so it will be like a vlogging section. I'm going into my 4th and final year of engineering, which I want to share with everyone. I don't know what I'm expecting, so I just want to show you my lows, my highs, the achievements that I get, or the failures that I have. So I just want to share it, and it's more like a memory to me to share. And I think any engineers vlog, or maybe use YouTube, but I really want to stand there for the engineers and show people that academic people can also do creative stuff like this. I am fairly a new YouTuber. I am very new, not fairly. I just started a week ago, and I'm really loving this. It's really cool, and I love talking to people. I'm a very people's person, and I just love sharing my views. Please subscribe to my channel. I know it's very new, and I'm not funny. I don't do comedy, or I don't do makeup tutorial, which are very, very good, that I've seen some. But I'm trying to do something different, trying to bring a change, make a difference, which is my only passion, is to make a difference, to do something different. And yeah, if you have any comments or suggestions that I can improve my videos, editing tips, seriously, I don't know how to edit that much. I'm learning it from scratch. I don't think it's that hard, but still, it takes effort and time you have to put in it. So I'm a bit rusty. I just use Movie Maker. That's all I have. But yeah, in future, when this channel does go higher places, which I believe it will, maybe it will take time, long time, 2, 4, 5 years, I don't know how long, but I'm gonna keep doing. I'm gonna be persistent, and I'm gonna keep putting videos out, whether you like it or not. I'm pretty sure it will help some people, and that will make me feel better about myself, that I'm helping someone out there. So yeah, just give me give me some suggestions. What sort of movie editing, free movie editing software are there, or cheap ones are there that I can get? And I'll definitely buy a new camera. I need to get a camera stand, not use my books as a camera stand, and all that shit. So please help me. I'm a new YouTuber, and it's a new family for me now. So yeah, thank you for all who watch my video. Thanks a lot, and thanks to all my friends who have supported me in this. They think I'm a bit crazy doing all these things, but hey, that's me. And yeah, so I shall see you some other time. I'll be posting another poem, my poem 6, and that you can watch, and I hope you like it. It's pretty alright. So I guess heart to heart out. Bye.